Hi there, my name's Garrett from the Shojin team, and you joined me here today after a 38-minute train from London Bridge to Edenbridge town. Behind me, as you can see, is the town station coal yard site, where I've just met with the project manager, who's reported back that the site is still ahead of schedule and under budget, which is obviously very good news across all blocks. The blocks consisting of obviously block A, which is the 4-bedroom units at the far end of the site from where I'm standing, where the windows are currently being installed. The DPC is bedded and the drainage is complete. And block B, which is the 3-bedroom housing units where the roof trusses are being installed and the scaffolding is being taken down today. And block C, where the first fix, M&E works and dry lining are now underway. The windows have been fixed, cavity closures installed, and underfloor heating and screeding are now nearing completion. And finally, block D, which is the apartment units. As you can see from the videos which are being overlaid, this is progressing well. The first floor is now complete. They're installing the balconies, and as you can see, they're working on the roof. The final building is the listed building where the bat box installation is pending. This is expected to be in June or July. So thank you for joining me at the Edenbridge site visit. Hopefully you've enjoyed seeing how the site is progressing. The project manager seems very happy with how all the blocks are progressing and doesn't have any concerns at this stage. If you've got any questions, obviously feel free to reach out to me or the team. You can either email at invest@shojin.co.uk or feel free to give the number on the screen a call if you'd like to speak to us in person. Thank you again for watching.